Hi, I'm David Wilson for TPAS Cymru, and Monday the 7th of October is International Tenants Day, and we've got an event for you. An online event, and we've got Carl-Johan Bergström, the chief negotiator at the Swedish Union of Tenants. They are massive. They're talking about 3 million tenants in 1.5 million properties. Really interesting guy. Then we've got Maja Stoleska. She's president of the Housing and Tenant Organisation in North Macedonia. And Maja and that organisation are really fighting the fight for tenants in North Macedonia. Really interesting. And we've got Dave Maja. He's a tenant and a chair of supported communities in Northern Ireland. Dave's a tenant activist, and when he's not keeping his housing association to account, he's scrutinising Department of Communities there in Northern Ireland. And he's also the chair of Supporting Communities Board, which is sort of like a Northern Ireland TPAS. So we've got Sweden, North Macedonia, Northern Ireland coming to Cymru to you. So it's a free event. It's for tenants and renters. Details are on our website, or we'll put a link below. It's on the 7th of October. See you there. Diolch yn fawr.